Hey guys, welcome to Khong Driving. This is Khong and my colleague here.
Hi, Zachary, not driving.
We are in the beautiful Honda Civic Type R.
Oh, I thought this was just a regular Civic with some red seats.
Yeah.
It's a little bit noisy.
Okay, but this is going to be another story. I just got the Type R. But before we go into the Type R story, we're going to talk to you about a Honda Civic story.
Oh, what's new with the Honda Civic?
Well, actually, Zachary, I just came back from Thailand.
Sawadee Krap.
And Sawadee Krap. And I was there as a guest of Honda, and we tested the new Honda Civic that's about to be launched.
Well, what did they send you there to show you?
Well, I'm actually quite in a quandary about that because mechanically the new Honda Civic is exactly the same. So they're going to have the 1.5 turbo and of course the 1.8 naturally aspirated Civic.
Right.
So mechanically it's the same, and then they said that there are some small changes which they showed us in a slide presentation, which I've totally forgot until we see the new car, of course. And so it will have the normal small changes in the front bumper and the grille and the side garnish and the rear garnish, things like that lah.
So it's a midlife model change kind of.
Yeah, it's they call
refresh.
They call it a minor model change. So it's a kind of a refresh.
Yeah, because it was launched in 2016.
Yeah, so it's time.
So it's about time.
So in the midlife of a model, usually they put in something to make it more exciting again.
Oh yes, particularly because there's some new models out and also coming. Yeah.
So why do you think they sent us all the way? There were quite a few of us that went up there. We went all the way there to test drive a car that's mechanically the same as the current one.
Yeah, why did they send you to Thailand?
Because the model has progressed and they have two, or rather it's one extra item that's in the car that has two parts. That is the full range of Honda Sensing.
Oh, what is Honda Sensing?
Well, Honda Sensing basically has two main things. One is the adaptive cruise control that allows you to follow another car, set up behind another car and then maintain a distance. And in this one is the full complement, so when the car in front stops, you will stop with it, and when the car moves, you will move with it.
Oh, okay.
So that's the first part. So, well, I do have a short video, so just take a short break and watch the video.
Yeah, let's watch it.
Civic Facelift, and it now has a new feature called low speed follow. So, instruction are, I have to set.
Please release the
Release
parking.
everything?
Release the parking.
Release parking brake.
Then please shift to the drive.
Foot brake, okay, thank
Okay.
you.
Then please shift to the drive mode.
Shift to drive mode.
Yes.
Foot on brake.
Yes.
Then
Then please push the set switch.
put set switch.
Yes. Then please release the brake.
Okay, I can
Okay.
see here ACC, LKAS shown here.
Yes.
Okay,
activate.
I'm ready. So when the car moves, I press resume.
Yes, please.
Okay, guys, my foot is not on the brake or the accelerator. We are doing low speed follow, and this low speed follow goes up to 180 kilometers per hour. So from the previous lap, I see that the car is going to stop in front, and of course the ACC will stop the car, and they stop for less than 3 seconds. So for this, I do not have to press the resume button. The car will continue. Okay, so it works fine up to 180 kilometers per hour. I don't know why they call it low speed follow. But anyway, that's to show you that it will follow from low speed. Okay, now we're going to disengage the... Do I step on the brake? Do I step on the brake now?
No, you don't need.
So I wait.
Yes.
Then the car moves forward, but it stopped more than 3 seconds, so I won't move.
Push the resume.
Press resume button and so it follows.
Yes.
Okay. Then we come to the corner. Oh, so the previous one, the car stopped more than 3 seconds. We have to resume
Yes.
in order to
That's
follow.
right.
And now the car has stopped. And
Then now, please put the brake.
foot on the brake.
Yes. Then please push the cancel.
Push cancel.
Yes.
Okay.
Because we cannot utilize this function in this tight corner, but the customer can use.
Follow
the,
manual
Okay.
drive.
Okay. So manually drive.
Yeah.
Okay. The reason why we stopped the ACC is because the car is out of camera range. Okay. Because this is a very sharp bend, but in a normal driving situation, you don't have to do this. It's just because we can't see the car now. Alright. Okay. So now we're going to come to a new place, and we're stopping behind this car manually, and we're going to reset the system to continue doing the same thing. Okay, here we are, and we are stopped.
Then
So now I have to
push the
Process.
switch.
what switch?
Set.
Set.
Yes,
okay.
okay.
Okay, because it's been cancelled.
Yeah.
We
Then
set. Yeah.
please release the brake.
Please release the brake
Okay.
and wait. Okay, so it's going to start again.
Then please push the
Push
resume.
the
Okay,
Okay.
because you're starting for the first time, you must press the resume button. Remember that, guys? Okay, so we're now happily doing a low speed follow of the car in front. And my foot is not on the brake, not on the accelerator. I can go like this up to 180 kilometers per hour. And then now the driver is going to stop in front, and I am stopping slowly, very smoothly. Stop. Okay.
Okay.
So?
Please put the brake
Put
and
the foot on the brake and
push
cancel.
the cancel. Yes. Thank you.
Alright, so that's the end of the run for the ACC with the low speed follow. Okay, so there's a bit of conditions to the Honda sensing the low speed follow. It works all the way up to 180 kilometers per hour. So it's not a low speed follow, it's low speed follow and high speed follow.
It's all speed.
All speed follow up to 180. Above 180, then it shuts off.
You're on your own.
Yeah, and but there's another small condition. If the car in front stops for 3 seconds or below, then and it resumes again, then you will automatically follow without you having to do anything.
Okay.
But if it stops for more than 3 seconds, then you have to press the resume button on your cruise control.
So that is for safety sake.
Yeah, it's for safety sake.
Makes sense. Sing. And what's the other feature that you said it has?
The other part of the Honda sensing that's available on the new Honda Civic is, of course, the CMBS. The CMBS is Honda's version of autonomous braking, and it basically stands for Collision Mitigation Braking System. So if you forget to press the brakes with an oncoming obstacle, or like you're daydreaming in a car, then if you don't do anything such as step on the brake or anything like that, the car will take action on its own, and it will automatically brake to a stop.
Right. So that you don't break the car.
So that you don't break the car or break the front. Okay, so that's the second part of the Honda sensing system, and we also had a short test.
And how was the test? Do we have a video?
Oh yes, okay, let's take a short time to watch it. Okay, collision mitigation braking assistance, CMBS. We're going to start from here and accelerate to about how many kilometers per hour?
Up until about around 25.
25 kilometers per hour. Then when you see the yellow cones, you release everything. Don't brake. Let the car do the braking. Alright, we're going to test it out now. Here we go. Accelerate to about 25 kilometers per hour, which is about now. Lift off and pray. Ah! It's about now. Lift off and pray. Ah! Ah! See? Okay, step on the brake. It has stopped. Well done. So guys, that is the Honda CMBS, Collision Mitigation Braking System. Okay, so anyway, the test was done at around 25 kilometers per hour, and we were told to take our feet off the accelerator and the brakes just to make sure we don't brake and let the system work, and you can see that it actually worked. Now, if you are going too fast, then what the system can do is mitigate. So there's no guarantee that you won't hit, but if you do hit, it would have done some braking. So that's why they call it a CMBS, or Collision Mitigation Braking System. So you're not supposed to go and test it on your own, guys.
Don't, because you know you'll be testing the airbags at the same time.
Oh, but you can test the low speed follow, because that is actually an adaptive cruise control system.
Yes. So the CMBS is very useful in city traffic.
Yes, especially for guys who are, you know, people like you, when you're sitting with a pretty girl, you get all flustered and you can't function, like that.
Yeah, I hate pretty girls. They're so distracting.
Okay, they say men cannot multitask, so you can only let your saliva drop for a while and you can't function, you know?
Yes.
So,
men.
Yeah,
It's always the men.
Yeah. Okay, guys, the other media went for a media drive with the car, and I'm so sorry I had to miss that because I had to rush back for something else. But anyway, they have sent me some photos, and we will share those photos with you.
Choppers, better took those risks. Cold blood in my fists, we fire starters. One out of a million will reach those heights. Always set a fear and then I won't deny that work. Never could toss. Look in my eyes, I'm on the rocks, guys.
Okay, guys, that's it for the Honda Civic, and not the Type R though. The Honda Civic launch will be pretty soon. We don't know the price. We don't know the full spec details until the day of the launch. Well, that's to keep you in suspense. Anyway, stay with us and keep a lookout for this Type R video. And the good news is Zachary is coming along.
Not driving.
Free screams.
Yes.
Okay then, till we meet again. Bye-bye.
Bye.